Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs gone by 2028. That's not speculation. That's their research. Microsoft fired 10,000 humans last month. They replaced them with Copilot. One AI. 10,000 salaries saved. Here's what's actually happening. McKinsey data shows 44% of administrative work disappears within 36 months. Legal document review is already 94% automated. Lawyers are extinct in certain practice areas. Now the second wave hits harder. JPMorgan's coin platform handles 360,000 commercial contracts yearly. That's 360,000 contracts no human touches. Their contract lawyers watched it happen. They adapted or left. Your job has a replacement algorithm being trained right now. Your email patterns, your decisions, your workflows, all of it is learning. Every spreadsheet you make teaches an AI to make it better. This isn't hype. This is quarterly earnings calls confirming layoffs. This is C-suite emails leaked. This is real. The 50% threshold hits when AI handles routine analysis, client management, and report generation simultaneously. We're at 31% automation right now. 74 months separate you from that cliff. Your salary is a problem waiting to be solved by a GPU. Your move is to learn AI implementation now, not later, now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI, every day.